Discover untapped investment and market sentiment hiding in plain sight in today's Daily Reddit Insight for August 6. Long-term Roth IRA blueprint. Uncertainty choosing tax-free growth instruments, fear of volatility, temptation to time markets. Capture opportunity through diversified low-cost ETFs or target date funds. Global exposure via VO, QQQ, VT, disciplined dollar cost averaging, steadfast buy and hold compounding for long-term security. International diversification. Overexposure to U.S. regulations and volatility raises concentration risk. Tap European ETFs or stable individual stocks to access diverse growth drivers, distinct regulatory climate, and potentially steadier returns, thereby balancing portfolios and enhancing resilience against domestic market shocks. Covered calls on Microsoft. Investors sit on 500 low-basis shares lacking income and worry about limited near-term growth. Sell out-of-the-money calls to collect premiums, boost yield, maintain ownership, and strategically trade modest upside for steady cash flow with downside protection. Options mastery. Blind speculation, unrealistic expectations, quick gain chasing, process ignorance, plague traders. Save aggressively, build risk capital, devote time to deep options knowledge, test adaptable strategies, refine disciplined processes, manage emotions, forge sustainable edge, achieve enduring success and long-term wealth. Apple growth reassessment. Investors worry about innovation lull, limited new markets, uncertain future revenues, and over-concentrated portfolios. Seize opportunity by auditing product pipeline, monitoring emerging segments, modeling long-term income, diversifying holdings, and rebalancing exposure toward higher growth catalysts amid evolving sentiment. Income from tech options. Big tech holdings idle, decade before liquidity needed, risk of underutilized capital. Sell conservative covered calls, cash-secured puts on Apple, Microsoft, Google. Harvest steady premiums, enhance yield, maintain ownership, limited downside, suitable for low volatility market environment. UnitedHealth bull surge. Investors overlook healthcare titans' expanding services, robust cash flows, and sector tailwinds. Fear regulatory shifts, rising costs, stiff competition cloud judgments. Seize opportunity by accumulating UNH shares or call options before earnings and policy clarity boosts valuation. Seeking portfolio safety and income through options. Investors face volatility, low yields, complex option mechanics, embedded risks, want protection, income control, mastering strategies essential, exploiting deep ITM calls with OTM call calls, covered calls, credit spreads can hedge and earn. Tesla Korea dominance. Traditional automakers losing imported market share. Investors doubt overseas growth sustainability. Capitalize by recognizing expanding global demand, leveraging Korean performance as indicator to accumulate shares before broader international acceleration. Strategic positioning in Asia secures long-term competitive advantage. EV boom and Tesla's strength. Investors fear market saturation, policy shifts, supply chain pressure, focus on leaders, battery tech, charging infrastructure ETFs, use Norwegian adoption trend as strong signal for continued growth, and diversify across global EV value chain plays. Weakening dollar strategy. Investors worry a sliding USD will erode domestic purchasing power and portfolio returns. Seize opportunity by buying U.S. multinationals with substantial overseas earnings. Foreign currency revenues appreciate when repatriated, diversifying income streams and hedging portfolios against further dollar depreciation.